we're going to check in with Nick.
Good morning, guys. Tracking the threat for a few stronger storms coming up later on today. In fact, this morning already tracking one shower back into parts of northeast Arkansas, but we do expect most of the storms to hold off until the later afternoon and evening hours. You guys remember the old saying, red sky and morning? Sailor take warning. There's that red sky right now from Sparta as we begin to see the sun come up, and quite a few clouds right now overhead. But again, most of us are, at least I say dry. Well, we've got some fog out there as we still have a lot of moisture, a lot of showers and storms yesterday morning and again yesterday evening. Right now, some patchy fog across southeastern Illinois and western Kentucky. If you live in some of these areas, be prepared. You could run into some of that dense fog where visibility is less than a half a mile at some points. However, later on today, a round of showers and storms, a big complex of storms expected to move in later on this afternoon and stick around through a good part of the evening hours. So if you've got evening plans, be paying attention to that. Now, some cooler weather is going to move in towards the end of this week, Friday, and even stick around for the weekend. Of course, a big weekend coming up. It is Memorial Day weekend, and sunny skies will return, but for this time of year, some very cool weather. 61 in Mount Vernon, 63 right now in Marion. We've got 66 in Cape Girardeau. We're watching a warm front lift back across the region. That's going to pump in some warm, humid air. Showers and storms right now, right along that warm front out across western Missouri and back into Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa, where they've seen a lot of severe weather over the last couple of days. Now, that warm front's going to continue to lift to the north. Again, a spot shower or storm possible mainly towards the early part of the afternoon, but here's about 4 p.m. And I want to show you, here's the complex of storms moving in from the north and the west. And then that spreads to the south and east then as we make our way into the evening hour. So it really appears that some of the most active weather we'll see today will likely come close to sunset. It may even stick around through the early part of the evening hours. And then our severe weather threat begins to go down. A cold front will push through overnight. And then by this time tomorrow morning, that cold front making its way through, some cooler air moving in, and the rain chances also beginning to go down. If you joined us yesterday morning, we saw that level 3 in two parts of southwest Illinois. They have shifted that to the west, but still a level 2 for southern Illinois. Southeast Missouri does begin to go down to a level 1. But the main threats today will be strong, damaging winds with any storms. In addition to the severe weather threat, some very, very heavy rainfall expected with these storms later on this evening. If you get caught in one of the stronger storms, some areas could pick up well over an inch of rain in a very short period of time. So definitely something to pay attention to here later on today. Make sure you've got multiple ways to receive warnings. One of those ways and one of those tools can be that Storm Track 3 app. It'll send those push notifications. It'll alert you to lightning. It'll also alert you to any watches or warnings that may be issued later on this afternoon and evening. Out ahead of that front today, 86 degrees. So ahead of the storms, it's going to be a hot and humid afternoon. Now looking ahead to Friday, afternoon highs only in the low 70s. And check this out. We keep dropping these temperatures for Saturday. Afternoon highs into the upper 60s on Saturday afternoon. Sunshine returns on Sunday. Temperatures back in the low to mid 70s, and then the Memorial Day ahead here coming in on the upper 70s for Monday, and more chances for some showers and storms then making their way back into our forecast towards the middle of next week. So again, we just got to get through today and even first thing tomorrow morning. And then that Memorial Day weekend, gosh, that's pretty cool weather there. I mean, Saturday, we've got the Heron Festa parade, and some of us are going to be there on Saturday morning. And that's going to be, I'm thinking about taking a hoodie at this point.
I'm sitting there looking at the 47 on the board. I mean, I've been camping many a times on Memorial Day weekend. I can't imagine being in a tent at 47 degrees.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool for this time of year. Temperatures do bounce back pretty quick, though.
Maybe it'll cut down on those pesky mosquitoes.
Maybe so.
All right. Well, the